I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki. We bought a new telly and a stand for it. Blaupunkt multi-position. So anyway, I got a new telly because it's time are we on? Right, you'll see why in a bit. So this is a 24 inch and it's 12 volt Westinghouse. So whether Westinghouse is the guy that sponsored Nikola Tesla and the company's still going, I have no idea. Anyway, Westinghouse. So 24 inch LED, DVD, it's got everything. Amazon, £139. So I'm thinking, I don't think it'll go in that cupboard because it's too big, but that's a solid wall there. You can't see it, but that's a solid wall. So what I'm thinking of, if I just move you there, you see now, yeah, that wall there, put the bracket there, the TV can swivel wherever you want it. So I'm undecided yet. The last TV I had, which is packed up, I had it on there. So when we were using it, it was on here. So they've got an extension there, right? The outdoor aerial is there. You know, the aerial on the roof of the van. But I was going through an inverter, and I don't want to go through the inverter anymore. I just want to, you know, it's 12 volts, so there is 12 volt up there, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, Tyler and Kelly, Chunky Monkeys, I'm going to put a link in the description to your channel, and send me another parcel. I'll have to take the lid off because it's got my address on the top. Look at that. He said to me, you need cheering up. Got all the smiles on it. I opened it in the house and I said to Sue, I said, I'm not going any further. All I did was just lift it like that, and I said, right, I've got to do it on camera. I need my glasses. He did say there was some tape inside it and we got a little letter. I don't know if the letters, let's have a look, let's have a quick look. Some stuff for Susie and the Chihuahua, she'll like that. Tyler and Kelly, Chunky Monkeys, PTO. Alright. Send a sticker. I will do, I'll keep your address. I've still got a few to send out, to be honest, but I'll keep that, and I promise you I will send you. This is the second parcel you sent me, so if I owe anybody a sticker, it's you, but I have got a few to send out. Time, 1953. You'll see why I'm looking at the time in a minute. I did say to Sue, come in the van with me and we'll open this. She said, no, you go do it. So, from what I've read, that is a magnet fishing lunchbox. I think you said it, you put. Yeah, magnet fishing lunchbox. Look at that. Knife and fork and 3 separate compartments. I love getting presents with smiley face on. Whirlers, they like them, I know. Whirlers for the doggies. Be happy 2021 to Susie. How would you know she likes diaries? You've been talking so quiet, haven't you? She always fills diaries in. Have you got names and everything, Tyler, Kelly? Right, so they're mine then. Yorkshire mixture. Beautiful. It's trouble if Susie's going to see this. No, that's for Susie. She does wear bobbles for Susie. So I'm going to have to get her in out and show her some of this stuff. Aloe vera hand cream, right? They're going to like them, aren't they? Pet dogs. Bloody hell, what have you got me, Tyler? Moisturising charcoal foot pack. That's mad, isn't it? That's for Susie, because I don't know anything about them. Susie does. Should have got Sue in to open half of this for foot. She'll only go on camera when she's in the mood for it, you know. Oh, look at that, nice little van cups. So I've got 2 van cups. You know, it must have cost you a fortune to send all this, Tyler and Kelly. Oh. Well, you have definitely cheered me up, I'm telling you, you've cheered me up. I've been a bit down, as you know, but yeah, you have to overcome adversity, don't you? Next time I have a coffee in the van, that's what I'm having it in. Hand mask. You've got Susie, loads of gear here. She's going to like all that. What were you trying to say? I like torches. You can't have enough torches, can you? Ever ready? Try me. Alright, so it's working. Oh God, it works, yeah. Ah, it's working. Blinded me. With head straps. The reason I like these is because obviously if you walk the dogs at night anyway, you're not used to where you are, you can obviously Next base dash cams. I have this one, it's a decent one, because you're a top bloke and a very good entertainer. I'm an entertainer, but I do try. Is it a brand new thing, Tyler? Tyler, that's outrageous, mate. Honestly. What can I say to that, Tyler? Thank you so much. I don't know what to say, mate. Honestly, I don't. I'm lost for words. Honestly, I am lost for words. Selfie studio. Oh, it's for your phone with a light on. Well, I've been messing about on TikTok, you know, believe it or not. Smithy's Contiki 1. It's only fun, isn't it? It's all to pass time on. I'm overwhelmed with stuff, but before I go any further, there is some links in the description on my channel to Amazon. And if you want to help any channel out, not just mine, if you click one of them links and then go on to buy something else off Amazon, the person whose link you've clicked on gets a little bit of commission. Now, I wanted to look at the time because some people get bored after about 4 or 5 minutes, so hopefully they've gone and I'm just sat with subscribers now, which is what I wanted. I'll get the rest of this stuff out in a minute, Tyler. There's a point to this. Most people watch a channel for 4 or 5 minutes and go on something else, but as somebody that's genuinely interested in what you're doing or the fun we've had over all this time, we'll watch what are you doing. So this is for you lot. As long as you're subscribed and you've obviously stayed the distance of what I'm doing now, all the commission that I earn off my Amazon affiliate link is for you, not me. I don't want it, it's for you. That's what I was going to do. Now, you know I've got a trail cam. Where's my trail cam? Oh, it's there. I've got a trail cam. Postcards Camping got a trail cam. And it's just fun. It just adds to me what I want to do. I can set that up when I'm parking up while camping for at night, put a bit of leftover food out and see what was there the next day. So that's my trail cam, it's there, right? Well, I've got you one. All you have to do is put a comment in the description, put a comment on the video and I'll enter you into a draw for a brand new trail cam. I don't think I haven't even opened it, to be fair. It's still sealed up, look, it's not been opened by anybody. Nobody's touched it. There's a trail cam there, brand new. You will need batteries, I think, so I don't think they come with batteries. You'll also need a memory card. And you're away to go. Strap it to a tree. So that's a giveaway from me. Okay, and if you don't win, what do you mean if you don't win? If you don't win, I think the last person that won one of these survival bracelets, right, it's got a whistle on it and everything else. I'm not going to open it, it's sealed, it's brand new, look. I've got a few of them. So anyway, if you don't win the trail cam, you've got the chance to win that, which is obviously a survival bracelet made out of paracord. They are on my channel, I've done them before. Mine's, there's mine, look. So it's got a whistle, compass, this is all like 15 or 20 foot of paracord. You just put it around your wrist when you go out, you just never know if you're in the wilds or wherever. So I just wanted to give something back to you. I know Tyler's blown me away with what you're giving me. I'm going to get Sue in a minute and I'm going to leave the camera rolling. I'm going to show her what you're doing. Anyway, so yeah, in the comments, leave me a comment, and if you're subscribed, I'll give it to one of you, and then if you don't win that, somebody will win the. Now I like my candles. I can't see what. I'm useless without glasses. Very cherry scented cat jelly bean. 24-hour burn time. Well, I'll tell you what. Does it have plastic you've got to take off or not? I don't know. It's a very apt time to have a candle. So we've got your address on that, Tyler. Do you know what? Tyler and Kelly, I don't know why I keep saying Tyler. It's Tyler and Kelly. Get it through your brain, Smith. Hand sanitising gel. Everybody needs that, don't they, these days? Panasonic radio. What did you say about that? Pocket radio. Kayaking. So, yeah, what you're thinking is, I'm going doing whatever outside, and I've got a radio to listen to now. I'm blown away, Tyler, I really am. Do you know what, I did need tearing up, and I seem to have lost my mojo a bit, but it's coming back. Yeah, it's coming back. We're getting there, we're getting there. It's coming back. Look at that. Nice little radio. So we've got a little radio to listen to. So when we're out and about doing stuff, I can play the radio, listen to some music, see what's going on in the world. So it's funny that I don't have a radio. Well, I have now. Well, I didn't have one before. Sue says, get in there, not that stuff. Hands-free smartphone and tablet holder. All right, goes around your neck. I like the smiley faces you've put everywhere. You know what you've actually done is you have cheered me up, and you've blown me away with some of the things you've given me, right? And you've taken the time to put these smiley faces on everything, and then you've packed it all up, and you know the packaging was amazing. And then you've actually gone to the post office, and just, you know, I'm blown away, Tyler and Kelly, I really am. I'm gonna have to get Sue in. Sue will probably nick that because she likes something like that. But if not, it could be a little. No, I think Sue will nick that. Hands-free smartphone and tablet holder. Because we both have smartphones. So what I'm going to do, don't forget this, and everybody that gives me a comment, I'll enter him into getting the trail cam and the survival bracelet. The last one was Captain Fantastic, won it, didn't he? Yeah, I think you give it to one of your relatives, grandson or somebody. Nephew, can't remember. Anyway, so a future video coming up, but it's going to be the TV. I'm going to be installing it on there because I think it'll hold on there. It did say the weight of the TV in the description when I got it, so when I do that video, I'll do a link to the TV and from Amazon, and you'll be able to see it. Right, let me go and get Susie and show her all these prezzies. Won't be a minute. Bear with me. Right, Susie. Oh, they're for the dog. Balls.
Come on, move out of the way. Let me have a good look. Oh, did they think about me with Bubble?
Sit down there, and the people can see you. They can't see. You're going to see the back of your head.
Or is this for you?
No, it's for you.
Are you turning a bit?
No, there's some stuff there for you.
What's that? Not one there.
Well, open it. Have a look. I was blown away, so. What is it? It's a dash cam.
Oh wow. Who sent you that?
Tyler and Kelly, Chunky Monkeys. I'm going to put a link in the description.
Thank you for me Bubble. I'll wear that at work. Oh, and I'll nick that for work. Oh, to Susie. Oh, thank you very much. That is lovely. Oh, how sweet.
I said that. How do they know she likes diaries? That's a candle. Look, I've lit it there. Look, it's.
Oh yeah, definitely likes his candles.
Jelly berry. I do like candles.
Are all these smiley faces for me?
Hey, look.
Oh no, they're for dogs.
Torch.
Oh, I'm not into torches. Oh, I'll have that. Mind you, you're a bit of a woman sometimes, so I might let you have that.
They're for dogs.
Oh, dogs will love them. Oh, I'll give you a foot massage, love. Just what you need at this time. Oh, that'd do me for work.
I'll have it for work then. Got a knife and fork. It's got 3 compartments here. Have a look underneath.
Yeah, no.
3 compartments.
And salad and all that.
Yeah.
Not that I'm on a diet because I don't need it. I'm slim. Oh. Wow, Yorkshire mixtures, I haven't seen them for yonks. Smith'll eat them because he's always nicking my
I thought you were going to nick them then, and I was going to say. Here, look at that. It's a phone holder, but it goes round your neck so you can have hands free.
Oh, you like your gadgets like that?
I said you'd probably nick that. Hands free smartphone and tablet holder. I'll show you how that works in a bit, Susie. You can have a look. Look at that one. Selfie stick with a light. So I can do TikToks with that.
Don't show granddaughters
I know
that.
they'll nick it. I'm thinking that.
That's nice. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you very much. Just what we needed, a bit of cheering up.
Exactly. We've done well there. What do you reckon? I was blown away, mate.
Two very nice people. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated.
Cup each.
I'll definitely have my coffee in that when I'm doing something else.
Right, so, shall we go?
Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll take that to work with me. And I'm having the butty box as well.
You might as well take the nib here.
Yeah, because I've got sanitizer.
I'll take them for dogs.
Believe me, Simon will be putting them on tonight.
I had no batteries charged for my camera, so I had to go through all. I had 3 batteries, one in one's charged, not for charging. Right, so you can say to her then.
Thank you very much. You've made my day.
I'm Smithy.
I'm Susie. This is my Kentucky.
Stay safe.
Be happy.
Be lucky.
Be lucky and stay safe.
That'll do.
And a very big thank you again.
There you go.
Thank you.
Right, Susie, I'm coming in. I'll bring them things for dogs.
I've got 2 balls.
Have you? You can drive them potty.
Okay.
Right, we're going. Good. Hey, see you soon.